Hi, seahorse friends. How are you today? Have you looked outside to see what the weather is? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is it windy? Maybe it's raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. These dear children want to play. Rain, 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 go away. Hello, Tessa. Hello, human. How are you today? Hello, Benjamin. Hello, Kunle. How are you today? Hello, Ariel. Hello, Rainy. How are you today? Hello, Teddy. Hello, Ryan. How are you today? Hello, Ella. Hello, Emmy. How are you today? Hello, Liam. Hello, Sarah. How are you today? How are you today? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling a little sad? Are you missing your friends? I miss my seahorse friends very much. I'm going to add a few more friends to my list. Hello, Sebastian. Hello, Taleo. How are you today? Hello, Elon. Hello, Elodie. How are you guys today? I have some friends I would like to introduce you to. Are you ready? Here they are. Oh my goodness. What a collection of characters we've got right here. We have 5 little monkeys. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do monkeys like to do? I know. I'm going to make a bed out of this dish towel. Here we go. I'm going to move our monkey friends back a little bit. And I'm going to fold this towel. See, I folded it once, and I'm going to fold it again like this. And then last but not least, I'm going to fold it up. And here's a nice bed. You see the bed? And here's their blanket. And put the blanket on like this. I'm going to tuck it all around. Just like there's the bed. What do you think these 5 guys are going to do? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! I hurt my head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Whoops! One fell off. Ouch! I bumped my head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off. Ouch! I bumped my head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2, 1, 2, ich, ni, 1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off. Ouch! I bumped my head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed, he fell off. Ouch! I bumped my head too. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So I think now they should all take a nap. Here's their bed. Gonna make it so that there's room for everybody. Here's the first little monkey. Good night. Here's the next little monkey. Good night. 1, 2. Here's the next little monkey. He snuggled in. Good night. Here's the next. Good night. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the last little monkey. Good night. And there's their blanket. I'm going to tuck them in. And I'm going to say, good night, monkeys. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.